Hey guys, it's Stanley here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what's on my phone. Now before you rush to close the video to probably go watch Okafor Fosudo because you see an iPhone here, this video is not about iPhones. I'm going to be showing you the apps I have installed on my phone. 90 to 95% of the apps I have installed here are also available on Android. So instead of closing the video, give this video a thumbs up because that helps me a lot. Without further ado, you know what? Let's just get to it. This video is going to be different from the regular what's on my phone videos where they show you a couple of apps and open them and you get to see one or two things in the app. I have over 100 apps installed on my phone from the App Store and I intend to show you guys every one of them. So basically I'll just point to the app, tell you what it does, straight to the point, on to the next one. The idea of the video is for you to discover new apps. I'm pretty sure you're going to see an app you've never heard of before. Well, since I'm showing you everything on my phone, I might as well just slide over to the left here where I have my widgets. And as you can see there, no upcoming events, story of my life, my battery percentage, and here are some stocks I'm tracking. I don't play with my money. I keep it very, very close to me. And yeah, Bitcoin price with the weather here in Lagos. Moving on. No need to talk about these apps here because they're system apps and you know them already. These apps here are probably apps I use most. WhatsApp, everybody knows WhatsApp. Twitter, you know Twitter. WhatsApp for business, I like to keep my personal and business WhatsApp separate. I use SofaScore to check for results of football matches. You can get live notifications and there are other spots on there too. YouTube Studio, obviously I used to manage my YouTube videos and all that. You have Google Chrome. I like that because I can have my passwords, my history, browser history, everything on all my devices, Android, iOS, macOS, whatever. Xender I mostly use to transfer data between Android and iOS. In short, best video editor you can have on your phone, period. These apps here also are system apps, so I'm going to jump that. Boomerang there, that's the app you use to make those GIF or GIF-like images that move back and forth. Skype, you all know Skype video call. Telegram, better than WhatsApp, quote me on that. Shazam, if a song is playing and you don't know the song, you can use Shazam to identify it. Flight Radar 24, you can use that to track planes real time. Useful if you're going to pick someone up at the airport. YouTube, you all know YouTube, don't lie. HP Smart, my printer software. PayPal, you know PayPal for sending money. TubeBuddy, very, very useful to optimize your YouTube videos, especially if you're an up-and-coming YouTuber. Get that. Jumia, that's like a eBay or Amazon here in Nigeria. Dictionary, you all know Dictionary. We have Jumia, one payment platform here in Nigeria. You can use Chaka to buy stocks in the US. Not really my first choice, but I'll show you guys. Reddit, front page of the internet. Check it out, Google it. Gboard, that's Google Keyboard. As far as I'm concerned, best keyboard for Android and iOS. Crypto Pro, I mostly use to set alerts for Bitcoin prices, so I know when to buy and when to sell. Money is very important. Moving on. Gmail, you all know Gmail. PixArt, photo editor. Photo, also a photo editor, one of the best. Photoshop Express, photo editor, obviously. We have Dropbox here for sharing files. Yahoo Mail. Yahoo Mail is my main email address, so I'm not even ashamed of it. I have that there. Snapseed, photo editor. PhotoGrid, photo editor, mostly used for collages. I think it's the best for that. We have Google Maps, you all know Google Maps. Google Drive for saving your files, sharing files, all that. ASOS, I mostly buy all my things I wear on ASOS, so I have to have that. Facebook page, I use that to manage my business Facebook pages. Uber, you all know Uber for getting taxis on your phone. We have VLC there, best media player on Android or iOS. We have Holy Bible, of course I'm a Christian, I have to have my Bible there. This iDiskMe is a software for a flash drive that can connect directly to my phone. Authenticator is an app just like Authy for getting two-factor authentication codes, and some apps and websites require it. Bolt is just like Uber, I think it's cheaper and well, it's in fewer countries also. Genius Scan you can use to take photos of documents and it will look like you scanned it with a proper scanner. Bamboo is my preferred app I used to buy stocks in the US. Cheaper, which is Cheaper Cash, you can use to send money to different African countries and it's free. YouTube Music just launched in Nigeria. It's just like Spotify or Apple Music. I've not tried it yet, but I'm definitely going to try that out. DSTV Now, that's my cable TV app. I can use it to stream my cable channels on my phone. My MTN, that's my carrier app. Moving on. Acrobat Reader for reading PDF files, you guys know it. Image app, that's for my Panasonic Lumix camera here. Blockchain, I use that to store Bitcoin sometimes. eBay, you guys know eBay. I buy most of my gadgets on eBay in the US. Google Keep is a notes app from Google, and I use it because I can have my notes on Android, iOS, macOS, anywhere I am. If I have a browser, I have access to my notes, so I prefer it. Bitcoins is the best app to trade cryptocurrency here in Nigeria. They support Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Speed test for testing my internet speed. Coinbase, I used to check price of cryptocurrency. That was the widget you saw at the beginning. Diamond Bank app. PL, I use for my fantasy Premier League. eFamily Cloud, I have some sockets and lights in my house I control from my phone. That's why I use the app for. Fidelity Bank apps. G-Shock for my watch, obviously. AdSense, I used to keep track of the money I make from my YouTube videos. Makayego de Mpa. Geekbench is a benchmark app. Google Ads, I used to put out content. We have Antutu Benchmark there, obviously benchmark app. You can use Media Monster to record videos and play songs at the same time on your phone. It's not free, by the way. StarTimes, that's my cable app. Car Scanner is the app I use for my portable Bluetooth scanner. If you follow me on Twitter, you see that I used that recently to clear errors from my car dashboard. Epis is the only airline I fly locally here in Nigeria. I use that to book my flights and all that. Coursera, I use to track stock prices and get alerts. Grammarly is a really nice keyboard if you need to write in correct grammar a lot, if that makes sense. It's a freemium app, by the way. Moving on. Waze is a map app that has some features Google Maps doesn't have. Check it out. Gigi.ng, that's like our eBay here in Nigeria, if that makes sense. Jumia Food for ordering food locally here in Nigeria. Methodist hymn, Methodist by Bet, proud Methodist. I have my hymns there. You all know Instagram is hidden all the way back here because I hardly ever use it. You can use Piggyvest to save money here in Nigeria and get 10% interest per annum, which is like 2.5 times any bank will offer you on a savings account. I'm going to leave my Piggyvest referral link in the description. If you join through that link, both of us get some money, win-win. If you don't join through anybody's referral link, well, lose, nobody gets any money. GT Bank app, Access Bank app, GT World also a bank app. Yes, I have too many bank apps. They're empty anyways. All my money is in Piggyvest. Polaris Office is a free Microsoft Office alternative which you can use for Word files, Excel files, and all that. Gifitize, I don't know how that's pronounced, but I use it to save GIFs and videos from Twitter. It's very, very good. Spectrum, that's my ISP app. I use that for payments and all that here in Nigeria. Stanbic IBTC, and that bank app. USPS Mobile, I use that to track my stuffs in the US. As I told you, I buy all my gadgets in the US. Zenith, another bank app. RMX, I use to track my items I buy from ASOS. 17 Track, you can use that to track basically any shipment anywhere in the world. Netflix, you all know Netflix, sadly. I only use Netflix, I don't chill with it. Boomplay is just like Apple Music and Spotify, very good. You can use Canva for graphics design, especially flyers, posters, and banners. I used it for my YouTube banner, so check it out if you like my YouTube banner. And finally, my Airtel is the app of the second carrier I use on my iPhone. I'll leave a link to watch my dual SIM iPhone video somewhere here. Now moving on to the last page, and this is the page I call my games page. NBA 2K20, FM20 Mobile, PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, Call of Duty Mobile, which I play a lot, Modern Combat 5, which I don't really play a lot, LI Commander, which is a flight simulator game, I really like it, Run Race 3D and Fun Race 3D, very fun games, like playing the games on that Total Wipeout TV show if you're into that. Subway Surf, Score Hero football game, Baseball Pool snooker app, Tennis Clash, and I'm sure some of you already gasped when you saw the Tesla app. No, I don't have a Tesla. I put it on the games page because I'm obviously playing. Anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope you found some new amazing apps today. As you can see, I'm rocking my favorite cases in the world, the Spiga and Rugged Armor, on all my devices. I have videos on all these cases on my channel, so definitely check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.